In today's highly connected world, we're constantly working with people speaking different languages from around the world. Many times it can be frustrating and difficult to create an efficient international workflow because of language barriers. But now there may be a solution. Joining us today is Tamir, the CEO of Smartlation. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
So to begin, what is Smartlation? This name is very interesting. I have a feeling it has something to do with translation.
Yes, of course. It's smart translation, so we just changed a little bit the words there, and it's Smartlation.
There you go.
Smartlation is the only and the first marketplace for translation services. This is the place that user can buy a translation in very easy way and professional way. It's a good place to have a translation.
So how does it work? I mean, what type of text do you translate? Is it, work emails, or can you do live translation? Tell us about
No, we are not doing live. It's only documentation or written materials like a website, which is a localization. We call it a localization. A documentation in any type, like legal documentation, finance documentation, regular one for student,
What
whatever.
about an English news writing piece? Could I send that to you?
The same.
Okay,
yeah,
there you
the
go.
same.
So tell me about this. What languages do you work with? Is it only Hebrew and English?
No,
or?
no. We have already thousands of translators in the site. We can offer more than 100 languages by now, and it increases every day. Every day we have more and more translators who start to work with us.
So what makes what you have so unique compared to other translation technologies that already exist on the market?
Translators, there are many of them in the world, more than 3 million translators all over the world. Every agency should work with some of them. You can't have them all, of course. But when you order a translation from an agency, you must call them first and get a quotation, or if you even can get a quotation from the online translation services, then you have to do it more than one if you want to compare. We develop a unique algorithm that help user to find the right translators for him in very, very easy way, and we offer them only the translator that meet his demand. It's in an easy way. The only way.
So I'm assuming some of these translators might be lawyers as
yes,
well,
of course.
or maybe
yes.
experts in whatever field they're translating a document in.
That's what you should do. Just upload the file. That's all, and tell us what you are looking for, from Hebrew to English, or from English to French, or whatever you want, and then the algorithm do the job.
Now, this is very interesting for me because, obviously, being American and Israeli, working in this environment, we deal with both Hebrew and English on a daily basis.
Yes.
So this is good to know that you guys have this unique technology. Now, what are your hopes for the future with what you've created, with this algorithm that you've created?
First of all, we hope to be the largest place for translators in the world. We start, and we are on the way. I believe that this is the place that everyone can find his translator. It's not easy to comparison between translators. It's very hard to do it.
Right.
Nobody knows how to do it. Our algorithm is unique by many parameters inside, which find exactly only the one you need, only the translator you need. The price is supposed to be cheaper than usually, because you are going directly to the end, to the one in the end. I mean the translator itself, not to an agency. So it's cheaper. The quality usually are good, and there is only objective sorting. There is no someone who pay us to be in the first place or something like this. This is the algorithm who decide who is good for you.
Interesting. Well, I mean, I definitely want to take a look at what you guys are doing.
Please.
I think it will come in handy. And, you know, obviously the world is changing every day, becoming more globalized. So
Yes.
we have to deal with a
That
lot of
there is a
languages. Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.